Do you want to know how to deposit the checks on your Navy Federal account? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to sign in or open your Navy Federal mobile application on your phone and select the deposit section usually located at the bottom navigation. And if it's your first time using mobile deposit, you just have to accept terms and conditions and select the make deposit section and choose the account that you wanted to deposit the check and click continue. Enter the amount that is exactly saying on your check. And after that, you need to prepare your check, sign your name at the back of the check. Take the photos by scanning the front and back of the check and make sure that you have a good lighting and your camera is in focus for your clear images. Review the images of the front and back of the check and the deposit details to ensure everything is correct. Once you've reviewed everything, tap Make Deposit or similar confirmation button, and you will typically receive an email confirmation that your deposit has been submitted.